He hasn't been back to Detroit in years, but ex-Detroit Mayor Kwame Kilpatrick will be here in the city in just a matter of weeks.
Now he's going to be back here while still in federal custody. It's for a hearing. Steve Garagiola following the story for us. Steve, I think a lot of people were caught off guard. Bit of a surprise in this announcement.
Well, yeah, the reaction you get when you say Kwame Kilpatrick's going to be back in town, and they say, what? How's he going to be back? Well, this is not the triumphant return that Kwame Kilpatrick promised some years ago, but he is fighting a two-pronged legal battle. One is about still trying to get his sentence, the remainder of it overturned, and the hearing that will happen here at federal court next month about the money he still owes Detroit. Before shipping off to prison, Kwame Kilpatrick said he would return. And in about 3 weeks, he will do just that. Kilpatrick will be in federal court in Detroit on August 23rd for a hearing in front of U.S. District Judge Nancy Edmonds on the amount of money he owes the city in restitution after his corruption conviction in 2013. Kilpatrick was originally ordered to pay about $4.5 million, but that amount was reduced by an appeals court. He has argued that he has no money, with less than $1 in his prison account. He also insists he did nothing wrong during his time as mayor of Detroit. On that front, Kilpatrick continues his bid to have the remainder of his 28-year corruption sentence set aside. He has 20 years left to serve. Even though the U.S. Supreme Court has refused to hear his appeal, Kilpatrick is asking Judge Edmonds to toss out the case, which she is not likely to do. So Kwame Kilpatrick will be back in Detroit next month, but I would not expect you're going to see him wandering around the streets. He will be escorted by federal marshals. He's in prison in Oklahoma. That hearing again here on August 23rd. Back to you.
Well, Steve, let's talk about his representation because he has had some interesting issues with his past attorneys.
Well, yeah, a lot of issues. He said he had incompetent representation, and then recently in a filing, he said he was going to beat up his attorney, and that caused a conflict of interest. As best as I've been able to find out for this upcoming hearing, he will represent himself. So that would be another new attorney for him.
Interesting. All right, we'll follow it. All right, Steve.